Aqneeq Solution Instructions. Follow these instructions exactly for great results both morning and night. Stage 1. Cleansing. Step 1. Wash your face and neck in the sink or in the shower. Allow the water to do the work and do not rub your face. Use a very gentle cleanser and wash off. Never use a scrub. Step 2. Pat your skin dry. Do not rub and allow your skin to dry for 10 minutes. The treatment gel will then absorb more readily. Stage 2. Aqneeq Treatment Gel. Step 1. Wash and dry your hands. Step 2. Dispense 2+ pumps of the treatment gel for your face and 2+ for your neck. Step 3. Spread across your face very gently, avoiding the eye area. Step 4. Allow this to dry for 5 to 10 minutes. This will kill the acne bacteria and take down inflammation. Stage 3. Aqneeq Moisturizer. Step 1. Wash and dry your hands. Step 2. Dispense 2+ pumps of the moisturizer for your face and 2+ for your neck. Step 3. Apply this moisturizer very gently, avoiding any rubbing and the eye area. This will bring the skin's dryness and oiliness back in balance, which will stop the skin being in an irritated state, therefore reducing breakouts. Note: please ensure you are not using any other products that could break you out.